Hi there traders, in this video I want to tell you in a nutshell how to earn $100 per day in 2024. Watch till the end to learn the secret of scalping, and this secret of course is certainly not a strategy or a miracle indicator. Subscribe for our Telegram channel where we post free signals to work out, useful articles, educational videos and more. If you want to become a professional trader, visit our website and figure out how to join our community, where our students master their trading through consistent practical lessons and trading diary check with the feedback. When you join the community, you go through the video course. This video course represents theoretical base. Then you pass a test to check your theoretical knowledge, with further limitless practical lessons in Discord server held every week. It's impossible to make your trading profitable alone. Join the team of professionals where you will level up your skills with no limits in time. First and foremost, scalping is the most profitable type of trading and therefore the most risky. Since we are dealing with high precision trades, the speed of decision making is the fastest when compared to other types of trading. And therefore the scalper's toolkit is not just a web terminal, but a high precision scalper's terminal, as a C-scalp. By no means we are not trying to scalp using a web terminal such as Binance or Bybit. The point is that this approach will not provide you with a high speed of execution of your trades and clearly distinguishable order book. Therefore, we come to the rescue. And our rescue in this case is a C-scalp. For beginners, there is a full guide to use and customize it. It's new to many people, but it's not so hard to dismantle it. You will be surprised how much your trading will change, of course in a positive way, when you start using professional scalping software, C-scalp. Secondly, trust your strategy and trading system. The primary task of a trader is to find a strategy that you understand. It's not worth choosing such a model of behavior at the initial stage. When you try to trade everything, your trades are still not stable, as well as psychological preparation. Mixing all strategies, you will go into deep minus. Trust only the strategy that gives you the most positive trades and that you literally enjoy. This is what you should be pumped in to build psychological confidence in trading. Then you rely only on system. It's a big mistake to look at the other traders and repeat other people's strategies. Okay, if you are going to watch them, if you are going to watch more experienced traders, watch them trade the same strategy as you, not other strategies. Collect good statistics and improve the quality of your trades. To do this, also do not forget to analyze and sign all the trades through the C-scalp diary. Here you can analyze your trades and understand whether your strategy works or not. C-scalp diary is a must-have tool for every trader. It's extremely important to track your progress. You can add comments here, the reasons for entry, and analyze your mistakes. The link for this service as well in the description. Now there are several examples to prove you that it's not so hard to make $100 per day in trading in scalping in 2024. The market is gonna be more and more active and giving us more opportunities. There are two examples of zones trading, smart zones trading, where I managed to find the really good zone on ALT/USDT 1 minute time frame. As you see, there was a breakout of triangle, and then there was a threshold formed during the impulse. Then there was a break of structure and the price getting back again to this threshold, a buyer's zone. From this buyer's zone, we are taking the pullback. Here we see that the pullback is very active at the beginning.
But as far as here we had a really huge impulse, many scalpers fixed a lot of their position here on the extremes, and I think the reason of such a slow movement was that most traders fixed their position here after the breakout, and the zone was about 1%. I expected 2-to-1 ratio to take profit with a really good potential, but the maximum that it gives me a 1-to-1 ratio. And finally, because many traders closed the positions and the capitals exit, the price almost get back to the zone, so I decided to close position manually. Plus $30 on this trade. Next trade was on Cyber USDT. Here you see really clear zone, really clear threshold, a buyer zone to where the price gets back after the break of structure and after the really good impulse. The reaction was really good. From the very beginning I was fixing by the market, and this is the really good example of reliable reaction from the zone. On this moment I just fix almost plus $80. So in total for 2 trades I managed to earn $100 thanks to correct reading of the order book, full trust to my strategy, in this case smart zones, and following the rules of daily profit and loss. This rules implies that after reaching a drawdown of 10% or making a profit of 10-15% to the deposit, we finish trading until tomorrow. Following these simple rules will help you in a new year in such a really active market to not overtrade, follow clear instructions, and do not go into emotional trading. Wish you good profits.